I believe that there is a God who is not on my side and does not defend me, and I believe that there is a devil who's after my soul. I can't tell the difference between the two. One looks like a cat, the other like a bird. Bird flies away and offers me a home. I believe that every person needs a sanctuary, a place to go where they can ask for help from themselves. And I believe that if anyone is listening when I cry out,